Hello, hello, my wonderful scholar, Algebra Success Coach Teresa here. So we are moving into Module 2, where we will solve algebraic equations and check their solutions. Learning objective for Module 2, Lesson 1, I will be able to solve and check my solution to one-step equations. You may be thinking, oh, I can do this, mental math, because it's only one step. You must learn, my scholar, how to use inverse operations to do this, because once you get to two-step and multi-step equations, mental math is not going to work. I will show you. So let's look at our notes. We've got equation. An equation, definition of equation is two expressions that are set equal or equivalent to each other. Okay. Two expressions. Remember, an expression and another expression with an equal in the middle. Equation. Equation has which is equal. Okay. So we're going to solve for x first of all. So let's read our equation. Read with me. X plus 3 equals 9. First up, we want to solve for x. We do not know the value of x. We're going to ask, is x by itself on one side of the equal sign or equation? Do we see x equals? Like right here, by itself? No, not yet. So since we do not, we're going to draw a vertical line through the equal sign. Because we are learning what we do to one side of our equation, we must do the other side to keep the equation balanced. Equal is balanced. Okay, so I do not have x by itself. We have x plus 3. Oh, 3 is on the same side of the equal sign. Well, how am I going to move 3 to the other side, you may be asking, or already know? I have x plus 3. Well, I must use the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. Remember, inverse operations undo each other. We have that in our notes here. We will have gone through this in a regular lesson when we do this. But since this is a short clip, I went ahead and did some of this already. So what I do to one side, I'm going to do the other. To keep my equation balanced, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation, because inverse of addition is subtraction. Okay, since 3 is on the same side of the equation, we must move 3 to the other side using the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. Okay, inverse of addition. So we're going to subtract 3 from not one side, but both sides of the equation. Notice when we do this, on the left side of the equation, we have 3 minus 3. That's 0. They're going to cancel each other out. So there they go. Let's see what's remaining on the left side of our equal sign. We just have x. So we bring x down, and we have x equals the right side of the equation. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. If you didn't note that quickly yet, that's okay. 9, 8, 7, 6. There we go. Oh my gosh, look, we've got x equals 6. But there is something great mathematicians do. We always check our work. Okay. So we're going to check our solution. If we had more than 3 minutes, we would go ahead and fill all this in, but that's what we will do in a regular lesson. When we check, we always rewrite the original equation, which is, we're going to go check. Okay, original equation, x plus 3 equals 9. What's our x value? We said x equals 6. Now we're going to plug in wherever we see x, we're going to plug in 6. So I have 6 plus 3 equals 9. You may be thinking, oh, Coach Teresa, yeah, of course, 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. But we want both sides of the equation to only have one term. And we talked about terms can be just a number. 9 equals 9. Yes, absolutely. So in this case, my wonderful scholar, in our equation, x plus 3 equals 9, x is equivalent to 6. one-step equation. Yeah, you're thinking, well, I could have just said 9 minus 3. Well, that is what we did, but we have to keep the equation balanced. Think about the airplane flying nicely in the sky. Way to go, my scholars. See you next time.